Put the cans in the cabinet. Put it in the cabinet. Yay! Good job. You want to do another one?
Yay!
Logan, you do another one? Are you going to do a soup this time? Those are big cans. Grab a can.
Can you put them up?
Can you put it in there?
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Put it in there. It'll fit.
You got it.
It'll fit.
But you gotta turn around.
Yay! All right. No, you already had that one in there. Put it back. Put it back. Oh, you can put it back in the bag? Take a can from the bag and put it in the cabinet. You're not a can opener.
Are you sure?
Yay! That was already in there. Now you're just pulling out your baby food.
We haven't seen this in a while.
Pick it up. Put it in the cabinet. Are you just gonna sit there?
Look at how tired